Hi, today we're going to be looking at creating frequency distribution tables. Now don't be put off by the name, they're actually quite simple. So here I've surveyed 12 people and I asked them what their favourite season of the year is. And they came up and wrote their answers on the board. Cool. So this up here is called raw data. So it's not in any particular order, it's just random up there. And I want to put it into a nice, neat table so it's actually easy for me to look at and analyze my data, because that's what this is. This survey, these results are data, and I'm going to be analyzing that data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a frequency distribution table, which is this, and it has 3 columns. The first column is the score, which in other words is the answer that people gave. So there were 4 possible options to choose from. They could choose summer, autumn, winter, or spring. The second column is tally. So we put our tally marks in there, so basically one little line for each vote or each answer that matches that particular one. And then at the end we add up our tally marks and write that here in our frequency column. It's very simple. Let's give this a go. So we had a vote for summer, so I'm going to put a tally mark there. I have another vote for summer, tally mark there. Now I've got a vote for winter, so I'll put a vote down here for winter. We've got a vote for autumn, so we'll put one there. A vote for spring, put a tally mark there. Another for summer, put one there. Spring again, spring again. Now, if you find it helpful, you can cross them off in your data up the top so that you don't, make a mistake and do that. But anyway, so winter, spring again, spring again. Okay, and this is where the tally marks, rather than just doing multiple lines, when you get to your 5th one, you're going to be putting a line diagonally through the first 4, like that, to show that you're actually at number 5. It makes counting them later on much easier, particularly if you have lots of tally marks. And then summer. I should have been crossing these off because I'm not sure if I've missed one, but let's see. So now what we're going to do is we are going to count our tally marks and write the total in here of those, so the frequency. So we're counting up how many people voted for summer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put 4 here. 1 person voted for autumn, 2 people voted for winter, and then 5 people voted for spring. Now down the bottom here, I'm going to be putting the total. So I'm going to add these up and hopefully they add up to 12 because I had 12 people vote. If they don't add up to 12, I know that I've missed one. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7, plus 5 is 12. Yay, I didn't miss one. Perfect. Okay, and that is how we create a frequency distribution table. Now this works whether our data is categorical, like ours was here because they're words, whether it's numerical discrete, or whether it's numerical continuous. A frequency distribution table is the perfect way to show our results. Okay, thank you for watching.